Hello, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. As we know that Ramika here. So today I'm going to teach you on the particular topic, which is a definitely commentable video, which I got the comment little long back, but I haven't updated because of I'm busy with some other stuff. So anyway, today I'm going to teach the weave of the particular fabric. The topic name is the design of extra warp fabric with a single color. Today I'm going to teach this. Basically I got comment of the teach that the full weave like warp, and another I got the design of the extra warp fabric with the two colors, but today I'm going to teach with the one color, right? So let's study about it. Just I brief you what does it mean that. So for the introduction, it's mean that basically the fabric, the extra warp and extra weft, as you heard नाम से आपको समझ आ रहा है कि what is the mean that. इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि जो ornamentation के लिए, figuring के लिए हम लोग extra warp और extra thread का we can use it. How? तो by interlace with the ground fabric at the intervals, right? So जो एक्स्ट्रा वार्प थ्रेड होता है वो उसको हम लोग इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं वार्प एंड द वेफ्ट बोथ डायरेक्शंस में, राइट? और दोनों डायरेक्शंस में जब हम इसको करते हैं तो क्या होता है, नोटेबल फीचर ऑफ दिस फैब्रिक इज विदड्रॉ द एक्स्ट्रा थ्रेड्स फ्रॉम द cloth leaves and complete ground structure under the figure. So first you see that, then you can understand what I'm going to tell you. Just one line also introduction I want to teach you. It does not affect the strength. मतलब जो भी हम इसमें एक्स्ट्रा वार्प थ्रेड या फिर एक्स्ट्रा वेब थ्रेड हम लोग करते हैं तो इट्स नॉट affect anything, either the durability of the material, just they can enhance the particular material of the fabric and they can give attractive design as well as the bright color and the contrast color as well as. Okay, so let's start with the people. चलो हम लोग इस पे फटाफट से we can draw the weave. So now you are getting very nicely after teaching the weave. I hope you're able to see that. So let's start. Sorry, with the weave design. So यहाँ पे basically I am going to design 10 by 16 है ये box. You see that this is a 10 and this is a 16. But as I told you कि हमें इसको बनाने के लिए we need the two set of materials, right? Extra thread how you developed. This is a main design and this is a ground one. Ground one means like G1 I put it here and G2 is put it here. You can think about the extra. This is a A, I'll put it the name, and this is a C. This is a C. Are you able to see that? ठीक है, तो let's start. So it's a very simple trick I find out to do this design. This design is nice only, but it's simple trick. ठीक है, तो सिंपल ट्रिक क्या है इस डिज़ाइन में? बहुत ही सिंपल है. तो इस डिज़ाइन का जो बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है बेसिकली इज़ दैट कि फर्स्ट जो है मैंने क्या किया आप देख सकते हो 1 2 मैंने इसमें 10 तक काउंटिंग लिख दी है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. हियर ऑल्सो आई डू द सेम लाइक F1 F2 F3 F5 F6 F7 and it's F8. I'll divide it into the two sections. You see that's how I divide here, है ना? You able to see that? I divide here like this. 3 मैंने ऊपर से छोड़ा. Next 3 I leave it from the downside, and remaining 4 I'm going to cross. And you can able to see it's similar look like not the diamond weave, but might you can say that it's like the structure of rhombus. चलो हम इसको बनाते हैं, देन यू गेटिंग एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. चलो सिंपल करते हैं इसको. वेरी सिंपल है डिज़ाइन, नथिंग एल्स इनसाइड इट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. सो mostly I'm suggesting whoever the people who are doing that, you use the pencil or the color pencils, because if you have a more if you are the expertise in that field, so you can go with this any pen or anything. So I'm going to teach you with red color pen. You use anything whatever you like to use. So just मैंने बताया आपको कि 3 I left it from downside, 3 I left it from the upside and the cross the design, because the structure of design is look like this. Have you see that? Is look like this. So I want to made it like this. Here I'm going to implement. Let's see. So here also I do the cross. पहले हमें 3 छोड़ना है, ऊपर से 3 नीचे से 3. उसके बाद क्या होगा कि जो मटेरियल है लाइक फिर 2 हो जाएगा, फिर लास्ट में 1 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो फिर यहाँ से हमने वी लेफ्ट 3, देन अगेन वी हैव टू लेफ्ट 2 फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट F2. हाउ यू सी दैट? जस्ट सिंपल क्रॉस. अगेन इफ़ यू कम टू द F3 हमें क्या छोड़ना है? 1 छोड़ना है. पहले यहाँ पे हमने 3 लेफ्ट आउट किया, यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 1. ओके, लेट्स सी. बट एज आई टोल्ड यू द स्ट्रक्चर इज लाइक दिस. means inside we don't have anything, right? So same as we are going to made it. So how we are going to perform that? So is in that kind of way, we'll do 3 cross here, left 1, and again we can do 1 2 4 cross upside. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm going to tell you, right? Next, come to the next point. हमें ये design बनाना है. Then we can left out 2, right? 2 how we made? Again we can start from here, 1 2 and 3 4. 2 यहाँ से छोड़ा, then 1 2 and 3 and 4. सेम इसको हम यहाँ पे भी करेंगे कि बोथ वाला जो डिज़ाइन है लाइक F4 and F5 आर द सेम एज. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, F6. F6 again same as to whom? F6 is the same as to F3. So let's do it. Okay, so here what we going to do? Before हमने 1 को left out किया, then again 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 cross, 1 छोड़ा हमने, then again 1 cross, 2 cross. I hope आपको दिख रहा होगा, है ना? I hope you able to see that what I'm going to do here. Is it so now? Yeah, you able to see that. Right? 2 cross, then again 3 cross and 1 हमने फिर से यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया because हमें इसको किसके जैसा बनाना है? We're going to made it F3 is equal to same as F6. Have you able to see that? Otherwise I'm using something dark more. Let me complete that. Then here I'm using little dark color. Then you're able to understand और अच्छे से. So come to the F7. What is the F7? F7 is nothing. It's mean that we able to हमें यहाँ से 2 skip करना है. We have to skip first and second and start with the third, right? Why we are going to do that? Because the design is the requirement of design is like this. That's why we are do like this. ठीक है? Again. So it's very simple है. अगर मतलब इस डिज़ाइन को अगर मैं एक चीज़ और बताऊँ तो अगर आप इसको हाफ बना लोगे then half is इसका repeat. That's it. यानी कि 1 2 3 if you draw 1 2 3 4 right, so remaining is इसका repeat है, जिसका कुछ नहीं है. Like how we made the diamond weave ना, same इसका भी is a repeat or nothing else. Okay, so you able to see that it seems look like the diamond weave as you see that as I show you, है ना? दिख रहा है आपको? I hope you able to see the video, see that the structure how I made it. Still you have a doubt, you just let me know, I'll let you know. So this is a simple. जब भी keep in the mind always कि हमारे पास ना जो भी हम लोग डिज़ाइन बनाते हैं 12 वीव प्लेन वीव के बाद जितने भी डिज़ाइन बनते हैं वो मोस्टली द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सच बोथ ऑफ द डिज़ाइंस. ओके, सो हेयर ऑल्सो यू सी दैट दिस इज अ प्लेन वीव, 1 अप 1 डाउन प्लेन वीव, राइट? सेम प्लेन वीव मुझे एक में क्या डालना है, एक में मैं F1 यूज़ करूँगी, एक में प्लेन वीव, अगेन F2 प्लेन वीव, F3 प्लेन वीव, F4 प्लेन वीव, F5 प्लेन वीव, F6 प्लेन वीव, F7 then plain weave, then F8. Okay, this you can ignore it, this is a I made by mistake extra. Chalo. Excuse me. So let's people start with this thing. So मैंने बोला था मैं अच्छा सा पेन लूँगी, थोड़ा बोल्ड सा, तो I am going to use the orange color. I am telling you again and again, if you are expo then you can use the pen, otherwise you go with the pencil color, that is also the enough. तो सेम एज इसमें जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे किया है सेम इसको यहाँ पे बस मैंने कॉपी करना है ऊपर वाले डिज़ाइन. तो आप देख सकते हो मैंने 3 लेफ्ट आउट किया, ऊपर से 3 मैंने स्किप किया, देन क्रॉस क्रॉस एंड क्रॉस, 4 डन है ना, हो गया ना. नेक्स्ट अगेन आपने कहाँ से करना है, ऊपर से यहाँ पे आपको इसके जस्ट ऊपर में लगा देना है और इसके जस्ट नीचे में आपने लगा देना है, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट क्रॉस 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 क्रॉस, डन, राइट? इट्स वेरी सिंपल है ना. चलो go to with the next design will be like 1 2 3 and 4, 1 you have to be skip, 1 2 and 3, right? Then again up you can do both thing, either you can do one this and one this, one this and one this, but it's very easy to do that when we are going to fill it for first F1, then going to fill with the G, right? So आप देख सकते हो like 2 is a G, then 4 is a G, then 5 is a G, then 8 is a G, then 10 is a G, right? So okay, come to the point. So again I'm going to do that the F4. Where is the F4? F4 is look like this. So just you can copy with the design and just same we are going to do that, right? So let's do 1 2 3 4, यहाँ पे 2 skip, then 1 2 3 4 and 5. As I told you, 4 and 5 are the same as, right? Then 6. 6 is a copy of 3. How the 3 would be like this? 3 would be like this, cross cross, 1 skip, then 1 2 3. Then again I am going to the F7. F7 is a copy of what? F2. How's the F2? F2 is start from यहाँ से, like this cross and this cross. Next go with the F1. F1 is the same as the F4. 3 skip and 4 में हमने cross लगा दिया. तो I hope you understand the design. It's very simple. It's nothing. It's really very easy. ये मैंने बनाया है, ये मैंने किसका बनाया है? So this design is basically 16 into 10 का ये design मैंने बनाया है. Okay, चलो इसको let me complete. Then I told you many things I have to tell. Okay, I have to inform. चलो. So this is a plain weave, 1 up, 1 down. Then I'm going to fix it here. Here. So let's see. 1 up, 1 down, then 1 up, 1 down, then still 1 up, 1 down, then 1 up, 1 down and 1 up. Tantana, है ना? It's easy ना? Let's go with the second. So again हमें पता है weave का what is the rule? So there is a, यहाँ से start था, that's why we can start from here. Next is start from 1 skip and then here see, तो here we are doing the same. See यहाँ पे एक नहीं है, like started from like this. So I'm going to do that. So 1 skip किया, then 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, then 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1, then 1 up. है ना easy? It's too simple ना? It's seeing like this so vast, but when we are doing that, it's really very simple. Come to the next one. क्या है? Next one is also the very simple. G वाला, ये वाला हमने अब आपको दिख रहा होगा कि आपने दो डिज़ाइन, आपने दो different patterns में you draw it. Same you have to copy here, you can copy here, you can copy here, and final the design. Let's do it. Okay, चलो. So the G1 2 is G is here. Then again 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Finish. Come with the second one. How we did? 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 down and 1 up, 1 down. Right? Next 10th G. This is also the G. है ना? I hope you are able to understand. So 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down and 1 up. Let's go with फटाफट से इसको हम फिनिश करते हैं. सेम मैंने इसमें भी वही किया है, 1 up 1 down किया है एंड 1 up 1 down किया है. सेम इसमें भी 1 up 1 down 1 down 1 up 1 down down 1 up. सेम इसमें बस आप डिफरेंट कलर्स का यूज़ करेंगे तो इट्स लुकिंग सो ब्यूटीफुल ऑफ द एनहेंस द फिगर ऑफ द डिज़ाइन. सो मैं इसको थोड़ा सा बोल्ड कर देती हूँ जो ऊपर में मैंने बनाया है. यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. जस्ट मैं इसको रिकैप कर देती हूँ हाउ व्हाट वी डिड. तो वी डिड इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट वी कैन फर्स्ट स्किप 3 एंड last 3 and the first 3 and then cross and cross. Then again we can do 2 skip and ऊपर से 2 skip. Then you can do cross and cross. Again what do you do? We can divide into the 2 sections. Like 6 वाला हमने cross किया, यहाँ पे हमें छोड़ना है, skip करना है because the motive of design should be the like the rhombus. है ना? आपको दिख रहा होगा. तो again हमने इसमें क्या करना है? Just we have to do cross and cross. Done. So again what we did again afterwards 4 wala is like started from all. You have to fill from down until end here. 2 skip करना है, then again fill from up and then fill. Again 5 and 4 is the same. जब आपने 1 2 3 बना लिए ना 1 2 5 sorry 1 2 3 yes 4 sorry basically, then all are the repetition of something. Like 6 is equal to 3. जैसा 3 बना है सेम एज द 6 विल बी ड्रॉ, है ना? सेम एज द 7 विल बी कॉपी ऑफ 2. ठीक है? देन 8 विल बी द कॉपी ऑफ 1. सो दिस डिज़ाइन इज सिम्स लुक लाइक दिस. आई जस्ट थोड़ा सा मैं इसको यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो आई जस्ट लिटिल बिट डू सम पेंसिल वाला कलर. मैंने बताया था ना इट्स लुक लाइक दिस. सो इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो सिंपल एंड सो ईजी. इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर दिस डिज़ाइन बेसिकली. सो व्हाट वी डिड टुडे, we did 16 by 16 का, and the name of the design is design of extravagant fabric with single color. Done. So stay tuned on my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you the 2 colors. Today for the only 1 color because the video is too long. So I hope you like the video, and please like, subscribe and share if you like this. If any have a doubt of this topic and anything, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy.